Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a product review over something that I have been seeing going around, seeing in the natural hair chat, and I wanted to try this out because if you don't know, I have evolved. I used to be only a finger detangler, and now I use the Tangle Teezer, which I love. However, each stage of my natural hair journey, I tend to run into struggles, and so I am always looking for something to work better on my hair. So I am going to be reviewing a detangling brush from Amazon, and it's pretty popular. Most people have already reviewed it, and it's really similar to the Felicia Leatherwood brush. But anyways, so when I first started my natural hair journey, it was finger detangle, and I did that. And the longer my hair got and the thicker it got, I had trouble detangling my roots, and so I started using the Tangle Teezer, which I love. However, this is extremely hard to clean, and I have a hard time focusing on my roots. So I decided to try out this brush. I haven't even opened it. I just ordered it from Amazon and it came in the other day. So I am going to actually do one side of my head with my Tangle Teezer and one side with this to see which one I actually really like. So the only thing that comes with this is actually this piece that goes on here, and from research I found that this piece actually keeps this from being so flimsy once you start combing through your hair, but it seems like very flexible and like it's gonna, you know, give enough movement to where it goes with your hair and not rip your hair out. So let me just attach this. Okay, so it didn't take much effort at all. It is on there, and actually I saw this brush a few times, and then I saw Ebony from Ebony's Curly TV review this, and I was like, I really want to try this out because my roots have been crazy detangled and crazy tangled and thick, and I cannot, like, I stopped using this at a certain point in my hair and just start using my fingers in my roots because it's so thick, and I get tired of like going small sections. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to split my hair in two and first detangle with the Tangle Teezer. And I'm just gonna speed through only because I have a full video of me showing how I use my Tangle Teezer. And for those who don't know, I've actually been detangling for a while now with this Tangle Teezer, but I use it to detangle when I am deep conditioning as well as applying my leave-in. I feel like it distributes the product better. All right, I'm gonna add just a little more. So see the grip I have to have on the Tangle Teezer, then I just go in at the end, and so I'm actually going to time this side of my head, and we are starting. So my hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned, so to detangle I'm going to be adding my Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. This is life, like, y'all. Okay, so start to finish, it took me 4 minutes and 39 seconds to detangle this side of my hair. Starting the clock. So far so good. I've been trying to use it like vertically, but I'm not really liking it that way until after I've combed it horizontally. I don't know. I know with the Tangle Teezer I have to use it a certain way. Yeah, it's getting caught right there. I don't like how that feels. I don't feel like I can get my roots, like, going horizontally on the end seems to work, but when I'm trying to get my roots it seems like a little bit harder. So while I'm doing my hair, I'm going to give y'all a little bit of details on this detangling brush. So I did get this brush off of Amazon, like I said. The particular company that I ordered from had only black and pink, and I'm not a pink girl. This is the Detangling Brush for Natural Hair Detangle Comb Hair Detangler for Afro-American 4B4C curly hair. And I don't think I have 4C hair, but who knows. And it says that it is easy to use and carry. It's durable and helps stimulate blood circulation. Some of the things that I liked, it said that it was easy to clean, of course waterproof, lightweight, non-slip, and it's suitable for different hair types. That is what I actually really like. Five minutes, 45 seconds. Okay, so of course it took me less time on the Tangle Teezer side than it did on the Amazon Detangling brush side, and I feel like maybe your hair might need to be a little bit more wet to use that. So let's talk pros and cons. Okay guys, so I had to go and actually get myself presentable because those twists are not working for me on camera. So real quick, pros and cons of both of the brushes. Pros of the Tangle Teezer is that it is definitely easy to hold onto, way more easier than this detangling brush. I started slipping, like my hand started slipping off of this brush as I was trying to like hold onto it because of the product on my hands. This is actually a better tool to use to actually get definition. So this is a good styler and detangler, so that's good. Also, this was quicker than this was, and I don't know if it's just because I couldn't figure it out, or you know, it's just my first time using this, so that might have been trial and error there. Cons: this is really hard to clean. There is still hair in here and product even after I clean them, and the bristles, for some people's hair it might be a little rough. It works for my hair and I know what direction and how to use it. I still can't always get to my roots with this, so that is the cons. So pros of this detangling brush from Amazon is that I can adjust it, so I can slide this little thing up and make it a closer together kind of brush, or slide it down and it expands a little, and so that kind of helps me. Once I figured out I could do that, it helped me to be able to detangle my hair effectively. Another pro is that it is so easy to clean out. I literally just ran my fingers through it and grabbed all the hair out. There's no product left in it, so it's super easy to clean. Also, another pro is that even though it was slower than the Tangle Teezer, I actually did still detangle pretty fast with this. So those are my pros. Now my cons, like I said, this is not a styler. Like, this is not going to give me any definition, at least the way I used it. I'll have to play with it more. So it's definitely just a detangling brush just to get your hair detangled and move on. It is kind of flimsy and it slips like nobody's business. It's so slick, like my hand was just like rubbing off of it. And even with this, I still had trouble getting to my roots, and these teeth are actually longer than the teeth on the Tangle Teezer, if you can see. But it was actually like still kind of hard to get my roots at a certain angle, and so it already had to be really like detangled for me even like tap into my roots. The teeth are not long enough. But besides that, guys, I loved both of these actually, and I would use them in a way that works best for my hair. So like this would definitely be a styler, this would be a detangler for when I'm deep conditioning, but I will definitely keep them both in my hair regimen because I think they're both essential. And this brush cost me like $7.99. Some of them had like a pack of 2 for like $15. So it's actually a very good deal, very reasonable detangling brush price wise, because this one's like $15 or $12 or something like that. But yeah guys, that's all for this video. Just a quick comparison to see some of the brushes that are out there being used. There are so many more. There's the Denman brush, or so many different kinds of brushes, guys. So just pick what works best for your hair. I just decided to do this just for myself because I was a little bit curious. But that is all for this video, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, tell me if you've used either one of these brushes and which one you prefer. If you are new, feel free to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.